Can she make it? Yes, she can. It just took her a little while. Welcome back to Can She Make It? Today I thought I would try a different button on the A Splendor. I mean, we know the soup button works. Today I thought I would try the nut butter button. I don't have any almond oil, and it's not something that I want to run out to the grocery store to buy, so I thought I would try my standard oil that I use in almost everything, coconut oil. So let's see how this works. Yes? Come on, let's get started. All right. So that was about 2 tablespoons. Some people say you don't need to add any oil at all. I don't know. I'd rather add a little. I know I'm going to make a mess, y'all. One, 2, 3. A little bit of salt. All right, now let's see. Where's that nut butter button? There it is. Nut butter. It says 4 minutes and 45 seconds. I'm just going to let that ride like that. I'm not going to increase anything. Ooh, that scared me. It sounds like it's having trouble, but it is actually blending it. Sounds like it's having issues. It may need a little scrape. Just being impatient. All right, comment below if you think that this is not going to work. I'm not having confidence in it, but I'm going to let it run its full time before I do anything like add some olive oil to it. That's just because I have olive oil. By the way, since this is looking like it's going to be a fail, I do want to show you this. It's an Amazon basic like camera remote. So that's pretty awesome. It works very well. Yep, needed more oil. Move on. Oh, it's starting to look more and more like peanut butter or almond butter. Done, but I want to add a little honey to it because I want it to be a little sweeter. let's do pulse. I'm going to pulse it the whole time. Alright. So, it looks like I have about 24 ounces. 24 ounces of peanut butter. That's crazy. Alright. And so that you can see the inside, what it looks like. There's the inside. I mean, it looks like nut butter. I have a feeling that this little jar is not going to be big enough. I know it's not. But I want to put it in this. Now, I'm not quite sure how to get the butter that's at the bottom of the blender out quite yet. Maybe the magic spatula will work. Oh. Yes, yes it will. This is a Kitchenaid Slim Spatula. Love it. Alright, this one's almost full. And I have a little bit left. I'm just going to put it in a little bowl so I can eat it. I managed to get almost all the almond butter out. Let's see if we can clean this bad boy. Alright. Take it to the sink. Use my magic sprayer. Basically, I just wanted to get as much stuff out of the blender first before I put it on the clean cycle. And I did that. Alright, so here's my little snack peanut butter. What I will do next time, instead of adding the olive oil, is I'll just add more coconut oil. I think that's all it needed. But I didn't have the patience for that. That's why I added the olive oil. And I added a little bit of honey for sweetness. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh. This is really good. Alright, let me tell you a secret. I have a bottle of almond butter. I've not even eaten half the jar because I didn't love it. This, I could eat by the spoonfuls. Can she make it? Yes, she can. It just took her a little while. you want these, if you want to know when these come out, they come out every Monday. If you want, you can come back every week and watch, or you can hit, is it over here? I never know. You can hit one of those buttons to let you know that we put out a new video. Alright, well, will you try the almond butter? Comment and let me know. Do you remember last month when we did, is frozen pizza really good? Freschetta? If freschetta was as good as it is, we thought maybe we were just remembering frozen pizza wrong. So we picked up one by Wild Mike's. And next week you're going to find out whether I was wild about Wild Mike's pizza. Alright, see you then. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. If you're missing my husband, I'm sorry. This was one that he didn't need to taste test. And he's at work, so I went ahead and filmed this when he wasn't here. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. I promise he'll be back next week. Alright, I managed to get most of the peanut. Okay. Where did this go? Oh yeah. Alright, let's see here. I probably don't even need to make that much. You know what? We're just going to, no. I'm going to get behind the camera and give you a close up. I don't know where it is. Where's my almond butter? Oh, there it is. I just let it schedule whenever at bright early a.m. The recipe also asks for almond oil, or actually it asks for peanut oil, which is funny because if someone's making almond butter, they probably can't have the peanut oil. Alright, so I bought this bottle of almond butter from Sam's Club, and it's a Member's Mark creamy almond butter. And I'll be honest, I did not love it. Not at all. In fact, I bought it back at the beginning of the pandemic, at the end of March, maybe the beginning of April. Probably the beginning of April. And I still haven't eaten the jar. I looked up a recipe, and the recipe that the Instant Pot app has is for the Nova, which does not have a nut butter button. So I guess I'm gonna have to wing it. Instant Pot, it would be great if you updated your recipe app to include the Ace Plus blender in it, because it has different options.